to Intensive Maths Clinic. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the expansion of the term on the board. We expand these terms using Pascal triangle. So these terms, this is a term, this is another term, making two terms. And two terms, that's why it is called a binomial. Bi means two. So we are expanding this term using a method called Pascal triangle. But before we proceed, let's write it here. This x plus 3 is a 2 term, raised to the power of 4. That means the first one, which is a, is what? X plus 3, x plus 3, x plus 3, x plus 3. I know we are thinking we are expected to expand this in this corner. No, we will not use it. If you are to expand it, wow, it's going to consume a lot of time. So we decided to use Pascal triangle. Before we proceed, I'm going to bring out the triangle for you to get. So this is Pascal triangle. We have 1. We have 1 plus 1 is 2. 1, start with 1, ends with 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, and ends with 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4, ends with 1, 5, 1 plus 4 is 5, 4 plus 6 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, 4 plus 1 is 5, ends with 1 plus 5 is 6, 5 plus 10 is 15, 10 plus 10 is 20, 10 plus 5 is 15, 5 plus 1 is 6, ends with 1. So this is the power we want to, this is power of 1, this is power of 1, power of 2, power of 3, power of 4, power of 5, power of 6, power of 7. So for us to solve this expansion here, the expansion here, which is what? Which is what? X plus this. So this will be what? X plus 3 raised to the power of 4. What we'll do here is, we'll bring out this power of 4 here from this Pascal triangle. Look at this. The power of 4 from the Pascal triangle. We are taking everything here out. So this is it. 1, 3, 3, 1. We are going to multiply this with this raised to the power. So the first thing here is 1 multiplied by 1. The first one, 1 multiplied by x raised to the power of this 4 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 0. What we are doing here, we'll take this 4, the x decreases from 4 to 0, while the 3 increases from 0 to 1. So we are doing this plus 3 multiplied by what? 3 multiplied by x raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 1 plus 3 multiplied by x raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2. So plus what? X is it 1 multiplied by x raised to the power of 0, x raised to the power of 1, x raised to the power of 1, this 1 multiplied by x raised to the power of 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of 3, 1, 2. So if you look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth term. So what we do here is, so 3 raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Multiplied by this, x raised to the power of 4. So the next one, that's x raised to the power of 4 plus 3 multiplied by this. 3 raised to the power of 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Multiplied by x raised to the power of 3. Plus what? 3 raised to the power of 2 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. X raised to the power of 2. Plus 1 times 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27. 27 times 1 is 27. Raised to the power of x. So if you look at this expansion, this is the solution to this problem. Very short and precise. We want to solve the second problem. Plus 4 raised to the power of 3. We are solving the second question. The second question is power of 3. We come to this place, we take the power of 3, which is this. 1, 2, and 1. So how are we going to solve it? Just like the way we solved the first one. We say 1 multiplied by 3x. This is a term, this is another term, by 2 terms, right? So we say 3x raised to the power of what? Raised to the power of 3. Raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 0. Just like this decreases, this increases to this. So plus 2 multiplied by 3x raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 multiplied by 3x raised to the power of what? 1 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 2. So if you look at it, this is 1, 2, and 3. The 3 value powers we're able to get from the Pascal triangle. So we say 1 multiplied 3, 4 raised to the power of 0 is 1. We have 1 here. 1 times 1 is 1. 3x raised to the power of 3. That is 3 raised to the power of 3 is 9. That is 9x raised to the power of 3. Is the value here. So 4 raised to the power of 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of 2. 3x raised to the power of 2 is what? 9x squared. 9x squared times 8. 9 times 8. 72 x squared. 9 times 2 72 x squared plus what? 4 raised to the power of 2 is 16. 16 times 1 is 16. 3 raised to the power of this is what? That is 16. 9 times 2 16. 16 times 3. 16 times 3 is 48. Is 48. So 16 times 3 is 48. 48x is it. So from here we say therefore 3x plus 4 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 9x raised to the power of 3 plus 72x raised to the power of 2 plus 48. We were able to get our answer as this, which is very short, unlike expanding it, and is explanatory. So after you've gotten your power, putting it here is very easy. So move to the last question. So the third question is this. We will say x plus 2 raised to the power of 6. So the power here, we will get our 6 here. So bring out the power, the numbers under the power of 6 from Pascal triangle. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So from here we are going to say 1 multiplied by x raised to the power of 6 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 0 plus 5 multiplied by x raised to the power of 5 raised to the power of 5 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 10 multiplied by x multiplied by x raised to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 10 multiplied by x raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 5 multiplied by x raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 4 plus 1 multiplied by x raised to the power of 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 5. So from here, so we say 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. That is what? It will now be 2 raised to the power is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times x squared is x raised to the power of 6. That is x raised to the power of 6. 1 times x raised to the power of 6 is this. Plus 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 multiplied by x raised to the power of 5 plus 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. 4 times 10 is 40. X raised to the power of 4 plus 10 times 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. 8 times 10 is 8 times 10 is 80 x raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16. 16 times 5 is 80. 16 times 5 is 80. So we say 80 times 80 x raised to the power of 2 plus 2 raised to the power of 5 is 2 times 2 4. 4 times 2 8. 32 times this is 32x. So from here, if you look at the solution here, is the answer to the expansion of this problem. So we will now say therefore x plus 2 raised to the power of this is equivalent to this expansion. So if you find this content interesting, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for those that are watching this for the very first time by clicking on the notification on the bell icon in all notifications, so that each time a new content is uploaded, you get notified. Thank you and God bless you.